Gus. Hi, my baby. Oh, you look so much better. Your ears look better. They're not as red. Haven't been scratching it as much and yelping in pain. Yeah. He's watching the birdies. Look at him. Look at him all happy. Hey, Gus. Yeah. I love you. I love you, buddy. I love this baby. I love my best friend. You're my best friend, Gus? Gus, I love you. I love you. Oh, there he goes. He loves watching the birdies. Look at him. Look at his tail when he gets all excited. He loves to watch them. So sorry we haven't posted a video in a bit, but he's been struggling now for about the last month. Has been hard just trying to find him a food, and finally figured out that chicken and beef has been making him sick, so took him to the vet and got him a new food, and he really likes it. So his ears are much better. He's not flicking them and scratching them all the time and moaning in pain. So yeah. Hey, Gus. Look at that little face. Look at that little face. Hey, boy. Yeah. And he loves you guys so much. He appreciates every single view of his little video. He just hopes to put smiles on people's faces and make them feel good, make them feel happy. You know, his ears aren't as red as they were, so we'll take it. Hey, Gus, you want to say goodbye? No? No. Yeah, you want to say goodbye to your little fans, huh? You just want to say thank you? Yeah. What a cutie.